This could possibly be Microsoft's next game changer and what it means for Microsoft stock. And if the rumors are to be true, this could be a game changer for both Microsoft as a company and for Microsoft stock itself. So if you're interested in investing in Microsoft stock or you are already a Microsoft stock investor, make sure you watch this video. There have been some rumors and leaks that Microsoft could be releasing this very soon. And this thing is Cloud PC. So if the rumors and leaks are to be true, Microsoft is planning to offer Windows through the cloud, and it will probably be known as Microsoft Cloud PC. So right now, to get the Windows operating system, it is usually either one of these two ways. The first is that the Windows operating system is pre-installed onto the device that you bought, and the second is buying Windows directly from the Microsoft website, which is a one-time payment. But with Microsoft Cloud PC, this is going to change. Instead of being a one-time payment, the Windows operating system is likely to shift into a subscription-based model, or otherwise known as a desktop as a service. If Microsoft decides to go ahead with the Cloud PC, this Cloud PC will be different from the current Windows Virtual Desktop. In fact, the rumors are that Microsoft Cloud PC will be built on top of Windows Virtual Desktop. So there will be two different things. Furthermore, Microsoft Cloud PC is rumored to be based on a flat fee pricing. And this also differs from Windows Virtual Desktop, because Windows Virtual Desktop is dependent on Azure consumption. The greater the consumption of Azure, the greater the pricing. But for Microsoft Cloud PC, it will remain a flat fee. But with that said, there are three types of plans for Microsoft Cloud PC. There will be the medium plan, the heavy plan, and the advanced plan. And the main differences between these three plans are the CPUs, the RAM, and the SSD storage. So that's a bit on Microsoft Cloud PC. So why Microsoft Cloud PC can be a potential game changer for Microsoft? It is because of the subscription or recurring revenue model that the Microsoft Cloud PC is based on. The recurring revenues from a subscription-based model is the holy grail for businesses because it provides consistent cash flow. And right now for the Windows operating system, it is a one-off payment. So Microsoft will receive a one-time payment when its operating system is pre-installed onto a device or when a customer buys Windows from its website directly. But if Microsoft decides to go ahead with its subscription-based model for its Microsoft Cloud PC, then in the future Microsoft is going to receive monthly or yearly payments until a user cancels its subscription. Do you know how great it is for a business to have recurring revenue? In fact, if you take a look at some of the biggest tech companies in the world, if these companies do not already have an existing subscription-based service, they are looking to add these subscription-based services to their existing products and services. Some companies that already have a subscription-based model service is Adobe, Apple, Amazon. In fact, Microsoft also has a subscription-based service right now, which is its Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Office. If we take a look over here, these are some of Microsoft 365 subscription service plans. The basic plan costs $5 a month, the standard plan costs $12.50 per month, and the premium costs $20 per month. For the basic plan, it includes web and mobile versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And it also has Microsoft Teams, Exchange, OneDrive, and SharePoint. For the standard plan, it includes Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, and Access. And then for premium, it adds on Intune and Azure Information Protection. These are some of the subscription plans that Microsoft currently offers. If Microsoft does decide to introduce its Microsoft Cloud PC, in my opinion, it's going to be very similar to the Microsoft 365 Business Standard Plan. But obviously, as an operating system, it's going to include a bit more. So this is a potential revenue that Microsoft can earn by introducing its Microsoft Cloud PC subscription-based model. Since we do not have concrete details about how much Microsoft is going to charge for its Microsoft Cloud PC, we are going to use Microsoft 365 Standard Plan as the base. But I believe Microsoft is going to charge higher than this amount because of the additional stuff that it includes in its operating system. But we'll just use the base for this example. So $12.50 per month multiplied by 12 will give us $150 per year. And this is just for one user. According to Microsoft's own website, there are more than 1.3 billion users using Windows 10. So just imagine this, if Microsoft is able to transition all of its existing users running Windows 10 to its subscription-based Microsoft Cloud PC, that would mean yearly revenue of over $150 billion. Just let that sink in, over $150 billion US in yearly revenue. To give you some context, in the third quarter of its 2021 financial result, Microsoft reported a revenue of $41.7 billion. If we extrapolate this number over a year, Microsoft's current total revenue for the year will be around $120 billion. Right, so if Microsoft decides to introduce its Microsoft Cloud PC subscription service, and if the company is able to transition all of its current existing users of Windows 10 to its Microsoft Cloud PC, the revenue that it gets just from Microsoft Cloud PC subscription service will be greater than the total yearly revenue for Microsoft currently. And do you know what the best thing is? This isn't a one-time payment. Microsoft will continue to get this revenue as long as its customer doesn't cancel their subscription. And also customers are likely to continue using Windows. In fact, these slides here that I prepared for you guys are created using Microsoft PowerPoint. And I've been using Microsoft PowerPoint for more than 10 years now. That is why I believe Microsoft Cloud PC can be Microsoft's next game changer. Because with its huge existing customer base, plus the stickiness of their products, by introducing Microsoft Cloud PC as a subscription-based service, this is going to give Microsoft consistent cash flow almost in perpetuity. And as we have seen just now, this cash flow are huge numbers, and this will continue to give Microsoft stock much more room to grow. What are your thoughts on Microsoft Cloud PC? Let me know down in the comments below. If you have learned something from this video, smash that like button because it will really help the channel grow and allow me to produce more content such as this. And if you are new to this channel and you want more videos such as this on investing, trading and the stock market, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to receive notifications on these videos when I release them. I'll see you in those other videos. To your financial success.